Chinese Methods of Preserving Eggs. For the LibriVox Coffee Break Collection 11, Science. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Chris Pyle. Chinese Methods of Preserving Eggs. As much has been said of late about the mode of preserving eggs, it may not be uninteresting to say a few words about the Chinese methods, as related by a French chemist, M. Paul Champion, who has lately visited that country and published a very interesting book on the ancient and modern industries of that curious people. A very common method is to place eggs in a mixture of clay and water. The clay hardens around the eggs and is said to preserve them good for a considerable time. But another and much more elaborate method is also commonly practiced. An infusion of 3 pounds of tea is made in boiling water, and to this are added 3 pounds of quicklime, or 7 pounds when the operation is performed in winter, 9 pounds of sea salt, and 7 pounds of ashes of burnt oak finely powdered. This is all well mixed together into a smooth paste by means of a wooden spatula, and then each egg is covered with it by hand, gloves being worn to prevent the corrosive action of the lime on the hands. When the eggs are all covered with the mixture, they are rolled in a mass of straw ashes, and then placed in baskets with balls of rice, boiled, we presume, to keep the eggs from touching each other. About 100 to 150 eggs are placed in one basket. In about 3 months the whole becomes hardened into a crust, and then the eggs are sent to market. The retail price of such eggs is generally less than a penny each. These eggs are highly esteemed in China and always served in good houses, but they have undergone a strange transformation, which certainly would not recommend them to the English palates. The yolk has assumed a decidedly green tinge, and the white is set. When broken, they emit that unpleasant sulphurous smell which would certainly cause their instant banishment from our breakfast tables. However, the Chinese are admitted, even by Frenchmen, to be great gourmets, and we can only say, therefore, that in questions of eating there is certainly no disputing about tastes. End of Chinese Methods of Preserving Eggs. From the Scientific American, January 1st, 1870. Read for LibriVox.org by Chris Pyle. Thank you for listening.